My most recent video has been how to pass maths. And all I'd say is that's my more formal video. But today I wanted to do how to pass maths, the Trini version. And I'm going to bring in my accent here. Because children of Trinidad and Tobago, let's be real. Passing maths in the Caribbean, a little bit different. You understand where I'm coming from? So let me talk one-on-one. All right. You want to pass maths, right? Now the first thing, you'll be honest with me, right? The first thing that children think about when it comes to their subjects and their school life has everything to do with the motivation that their parents or guardians give them. A lion? Tell me a lion now. You all know when you carry home your report book, you're frightened because you don't want to disappoint your parents or your guardians. Same thing. The number one thing for passing maths in the Caribbean, and you all know what I'm talking about, is the fear that you have for doing well when it comes to your parents and your guardians. Why? Because you know you want to make them proud. So that's the number one push force, the motivation that your parents going to give you. You know, they're going to say, do your work, listen to me. You need to listen to hello. You all need to listen to your parents. They're not just all talking. They're saying these things for a reason. They have lived a life. They are speaking to you from experience. So trust me, your parents and your guardians are the number one reason that you push yourself to pass maths. A lie. All right. Number two reason how to pass maths Trini version style, hit your books. And I don't mean with a stick and I don't mean with a broom. All right, you need to be opening them books. You need to be reading it like Alice in Wonderland. You need to eat, sleep, and dream the books consistently. It helps children who know they have a huge CAPE exam, and 2 weeks before, they want to cram a whole year of formulas and work. I don't know what kind of magic they feel they have up their sleeve. Don't get me wrong, you know. I mean, some students is perform serious things that incredible, and they have this mind that could super absorb. But the reality is, if you're looking for an easy way to pass maths, be consistent. That way, you have to spend less hours studying every day, and you're tired to see the same page over and over. People who have those photographic memories, it's not really photographic, you know. They just fed up see the same right hand and left hand side till eventually they could think of the whole textbook in the back of their mind, right? So just be consistent when you hit any books, right? Talk done. Number three reason for passing maths, Trini version. Time for party done. It has some children feel that when exams coming around the corner, they don't want to sacrifice nothing, you know? They want to live the same lifestyle they had before. But when you want to achieve a certain level of excellence, balance is important, don't get me wrong. But there's a point where the time for the party had to done. You can't be telling me every weekend when you know 4 weeks before exam, every weekend before that exam, you want to go and hit up the club, you want to go and hit up the top trending party, no, time for party done. Listen, if you want to pass maths, you have to make sacrifices, right? Things happen before, things happen after. If you want something, you have to make an adjustment. Talk done. Number 4 reason for passing maths in Trini style version. Stop playing games. And I'm talking about not only the gamers, I'm talking about more of a mental game. That a lot of y'all know. You're like, I know, you know what I'm talking. Yes, y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the video games only, you know. You all need to stop playing games. Be honest with yourself. How many of y'all have a lab due and your teacher asks fit and you be like, miss, well, you know, my cousin, father, uncle had a wedding and I had it was stay, you know, go and yeah, I didn't get time to stop playing games. I have children who is make up so much excuse, y'all. At the end of the day, that game going to rewind and you're going to still be playing and life going to be moving ahead of you. You need to stop playing the games. All right, guys, if you want to pass maths, next most important point, you need to be honest. And this goes hand in hand with the stop playing games. You need to be honest with yourself. If you can't be honest with your teacher, you can't be honest with your parents. Your parents asking you, honey, you studying your work? And you say, yes, mommy, yes, grandma, I'm trying my very best. Trust me, it's just that I don't. Listen, stop playing games and be honest. Be honest with yourself. If you feel like you need to lie so that you don't have to disappoint your parents or your guardians or your teachers, that is when you're going to fall back on you. Because what you're doing is you're allowing work to build up. And at the end of the day, there's going to come a point in time when everything will be revealed that the fact is you wasn't revising your work like you were supposed to. So stop playing games. Be honest with yourself. You need to face the reality that you have to put down certain things. You need to focus on your book work. You need to be hitting them books. And you need to be doing some studies, right, guys? Nice. Now, I have a lot to say about passing maths. I mean, that you could find in my next video where I really went into detail about creating the timetable and stuff like this. But not on the screen. I just want to mention our next point. Some students, they do over procrastinate. You know, like, oh my God, how I don't know what to do, miss. Like, seriously, like I have 5 months before exams, miss. Me start, miss. You think I could make it? What are they asking? You really think that teacher going and watch you and say no? Everything they're going to say. Listen, sometimes kids, listen. Anna. Oh, pressure. The kind of questions kids could ask sometimes. Y'all, you need to face reality. You have 6 months before exams and you're writing 6 subjects. That take a work, you know. That really, no, I'm not trying to make you feel scared, you know. This video is to make sure you prepare when you're supposed to. You understand? Because I'm being very real and I'm being very honest with you guys here. So to pass maths, Trini style version, definitely be honest with yourself. My last point on the screen, pray. Pray and pray hard. Now, I don't know how many of y'all out there are religious. You know, we have a lot of different people have different beliefs and, you know, you have to respect that. But at the end of the day, just know that you always reap what you sow. I know a lot of students say, Miss, miracles could happen, you know. Yes, miracles do happen, but you will always reap the miracle that you have sowed. So if you have not put in a formula into your memory, chances are it's already going on pop up in your head, you know. Right. Miracles that happen are, let's just say, you've been a consistent student over a period of 3 months, right? Let me just say that. And you really, truly try hard. 80% maximum potential you give out. You really try hard. And the other 20%, you just really didn't understand certain things. And for the life of you, you can't get it, right? You can't get it. You ask for help. You watch the video. You just still can't get it, right? You know why it's a miracle? You pray And when you open that paper, the 20% you never know how to do come on that paper. That is miracle. That is what we're talking about. Prayer. Prayer does work. But you can't be reaping something that you did not sow. So, Charan, all I want to say today is to pass maths Trini style, follow my guidelines, listen to your mental state, be honest. At the end of this video, be honest. Right? Talk done.